I had to change my position for reasons, but here I am, and here's my point. The plants, beautiful looking creatures. So this plant is alive and it's inhabiting the same realm as I am, obviously, but we're existing and at different type of dimensions. You see, when I do this to this plant, the plant probably feels on its own way, but she doesn't have a clue what's actually happening, what's actually taking place in this dimension that we can perceive. The plant doesn't see me, she does not perceive me as a human being, she doesn't even know that the human beings exist, but here I am right next to it. Okay, I can pet it, I can pull it out, I can hurt it if I want, because I am stronger than it. I am on a higher dimension of existence. Okay, she's two-dimensional creature and I'm third-dimensional creature, third density, second density. And so the second density feeds off of wet ground, of water and soil. First level density, unconscious living energy. It's water and soil and water and air, I already mentioned that. And so this plant lives its life in its own dimension, second dimension, but it's inhabiting the much larger scheme of life, as same as we do. And so when I take a little seed, I don't ask a seed if it wants to be planted. I don't ask the ground, the soil, if it wants to be dug up. I just come and do it because I can. I'm on a higher dimension than they are. I don't need permission to do so. And when I plant the seed and the seed grows and it gives fruits or whatever, I pick it up and I eat it. I consume their energy because I can and I need it to sustain myself. I need to take energy from another living being. Actually, it's the energy from the sun, only this plant is absorbing it and then I'm taking it. But anyway, what makes you so sure that there is not some other entities that you don't see, that's standing right here next to me, and it's taking my energy as same as I'm taking the plant's energy because I can and he can? And you have one guess to guess what kind of energy that kind of entity would take from you. The negative one, the depression. If all thoughts are not your thoughts, then somebody could simply whisper these thoughts to you, and those thoughts will cause an emotion inside of you, and that emotion will be the depressive thing, and then you get all depressed and fucked up and you think that you are responsible and that you are guilty and everything. But what if some other creature that is stronger than you and lives in higher dimension and you don't see it, he just comes and takes what he needs from you? I don't say that is right, but it could be. And if you have a proof that I'm wrong, prove it to me. Hold just 1 second. I have to watch for the time. So, it could be, and I'm pretty sure that there are creatures who are higher than us and they're feeding off of our energy, because why would the creature of 4-dimensional existence, 5-dimensional existence, I don't even know, why would he bother himself with digging the soil and planting the plants and watering the plants? He's overgrown that. He's somewhere else. I don't even see it. His body is a light body, energy body. He can be a parasite, astral parasite, a demon. You heard about these things too, okay? And they feed off of you with your negative energy. They're causing it to you. As same as I'm feeding this plant with water or pulling out its fruits, picking up its fruits and eating, digesting because I need it, and the plant gives it to me. But the plant never ever figures out to who she is giving the energy. Maybe, just maybe it does. I don't know, but from my current limited point of view, I think that this plant can't tell that there is a human standing right next. She can feel my energy, that's for certain, but she doesn't know what I am. I came here to smell, to pick it up, to eat fruit, to whatever. As same as the demon came to you to make you feel depressed, to make you feel sad, to make you feel guilty, to go over through these scenarios. Some scenarios never even took place, you're just creating them in your head. But do you create the scenarios? Are your thoughts your own thoughts? I think not. Something can whisper to your ear just to make you feel the negative vibration, to water you, just like you watered the plants, to water you so you can harvest your energy. And so in order to avoid that, you must start raising your vibrations so you can fight off these demons. Don't argue with people. Don't say bad things to people. Don't hurt people. Don't hurt life. Consume healthy food. Don't do drugs. Don't drink alcohol. Raise your vibration and be in touch with your soul as much as you can, and you will perceive this reality much better than you're used to. You'll see all the signs. You'll see right through the illusion, okay? You'll see that this reality is talking to you all the time. Something is guiding you. Maybe it's you from another dimension, since you're just logged in here inside this avatar. I don't know. I just suggest an option. But be mindful and be careful, because the entities exist and they are here to take advantage of you if you don't take care of your own self and your own vibration. Please think about that.